All right, good afternoon, YouTube. All right, so today we are gonna be doing the cheapest mod ever, and I think it's probably gonna be the most practical and the most best mod there is. All right, before I show you what it is, let me show you what my problem is. This thing right here. It's ugly. It's made cheaply. It doesn't charge my phone anymore. I do not know why. It's garbage. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna supplement this cigarette light plug with a USB charger. That's right. Got this off of Amazon. I think it was $15. All right, so this one has two USB ports. One is a 2.4 amp and the other one is the 3.0 QC or whatever it is. It's that high efficiency charging port for phones that charge quickly. All right, let's see how fast I can do it. It is now what time? It is 3:10, as you can see. My kids get off at 3:30, and I'm gonna try to get that done before they get out of school. All right, here we go. All right, so I'm gonna use this one. So I know that this round one here is actually on clips. So I'll just get behind it and just have to find a spot. Okay, the other side. That was a little tough. Okay, that's out. Alright, so I gotta take these two bolts out. Alright, so 7mm. I do not recommend what I'm about to use, but I don't have any other tools. And this should come out. Done. Alright, so let's unplug this. Alright, so there's a tab right in here. Push that down. That comes out easy. Alright, so the way that this worked was, I actually thought I was yanking this way, but actually no. It has to go push through the tab. So you have two tabs, 1 and 2 there. Open that up, literally push it through. And then you have two more tabs there and over here to push the, oh sorry, right there. There and there to push it through, and now we have it open. Then we take the new one, which looks like this, QC 3.0, and then 5V 2 amps. So unscrew this. Well, it might be a little too big. It's a little too big. Looks like I'm not gonna be able to do it. Alright, so unfortunately I wasn't able to get this done before my kids finished school. So they finished, I went to go pick them up, but I had to bring it upstairs anyway. So this is how it's looking right now. It looks really sharp. I like it. Some of the modifications that I had to do to this piece was the hole was actually too small for this, just too small for this. So I went ahead and filed it. The other thing that I also did was, just in over here, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can. It gets really tight. All right, so filed half of the circle only on the right side, so that way when I put it in, it would actually shift to the right, and there was just enough room in there for the ring to fit between this piece and the actual new USB part. And then after I used not a flathead screwdriver but a Robertson screwdriver, the square head, and just I use that to push these the tabs of the rings around to get it nice and tight. And there you go. Next thing that we have to do is connect the wires. All right, so what you're gonna need are, okay, so butt connectors, some kind of wire stripping tool, and I'm gonna cut this right here. Now I should have said disconnect your battery, and I totally forgot to do that, and I had a little bit of a short. I don't know if I blew a fuse or not. Okay, so I'm gonna do one wire at a time. And I think I did blow a fuse. My GPS turned off. Oh. Yeah, so you can either pull the fuse or pull the or disconnect the battery. Okay, so too late now, keep going forward. So I'm gonna go one at a time here, red for red. All right, that is it. All right, so don't be like me and pop a fuse. Make sure you pull that fuse or pull the battery. So it is in. It looks nice. It has a little bit of a hint of green on it. Unfortunately, I can't turn it off, but the LEDs draw very minimal power, so I'm not going to be worried about it too much. So next thing to do after that is I'm just going to heat up these butt connectors. All right, now we put everything back together. Again, I don't recommend using power tools, but I don't have anything other than this right now. So if you are going to use power tools, be absolutely careful and just make sure you don't over torque it. Done. Look at that. Glowing green, looks good. I like it. All right, everyone, that is it. Super easy install, very cheap. Yeah, that was the fuse that I popped because I didn't pull the fuse. Yeah, be very careful. I'm lucky it was just the fuse, nothing else. Very cheap mod. Brings your older vehicles a little bit closer to the newer age style vehicles. A lot of vehicles have USB chargers in them already, so now this 07 Yukon does too. What we should do is actually plug in my phone and see if it works. Ha! Let's try that. All right, so as I said, this one has 2 USB ports. I'm gonna put in the 2.4 amp one, and let's plug it in. Nice. Works. We got a little lightning bolt. All right, let's try the 3.1. Oh, that one works too. Nice. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.